With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is the following statement P implication Q implication negation P implication Q is equivalent, a fallacy, tautology, or equivalent to negation PQ. Okay, so basically we need to show that out of these four which is correct for this condition. So let us draw its truth table. So first I am writing here P, then we will write here Q, and then we will write here P implication with Q, and then we will write here negation P implication with Q, and then we will write here this negation P implication Q whole implication with Q, then the last thing, that is this whole thing we will write here. So that is what it is, P implication with Q, and that is implicated with this, that is negation P implicated with Q, and that is implicated with Q. Okay, so we will put here the values. So P will be what? P we will take first, write true, then false, false. Then Q will be true, we are taking it as then false, then true, and then false. Okay, now we are going to see P implication with Q. In this, what happens is, if there is an implication sign and there is one statement having one and another statement here, then this implication will be true only when these both are true, or even if this first one is false, then also we get the total result as true. Okay, see, we'll understand it. See, if both are true, if this is the negation, that is P and Q, then here also true, here also true, then this implication will be true. And if here it is true and here it is false, that means if this is the case, then in this case what happens is, here we have the overall compound situation as false. Okay, we are taking it as false because it is having the benefit of doubt here. Okay, and as I said, if even the first one is false and then we are having this implication sign and then Q is true, that means if this is false, then also we get here true only. And if both are false, that means false is implicated with false, then this is true, right? Because false is implicated with false. So we write here true. Now we will see this one, that is negation P implicated with Q. Okay, so negation P is what? See, P is true, that means negation P, it will be what? It will be false. Negation P will be false because P is true. Okay, and this is implicated with Q, then true, and right, Q is true, that means false is implicated with true. And we have seen this condition that if first one is false, it is implicated with true, then the resultant answer is true only. Okay, then again negation P, so P second value was true, then its negation will be false and it is implicated with Q. Q second value is false, that means both the statements are same on the implication symbol, so that means false is implicated with false, right? This is true. Now negation P, that means here we were having originally false, so its negation here, this will give us true. So true implicated with Q, true implicated with true, that is true. Now here we are having false, so its negation will be true, and it is implicated with what? It is implicated with Q, and Q is false. Okay, so in this case what we have already seen that if first one is true, then even if the other one is false, the resultant answer will be false. Okay, now if we see here, this whole value is the final values for this are this. Okay, then this is implicated with Q, that means first true is implicated with true. When true is implicated with true, we get true. Okay, the next value for this is true, and Q is what? It is false, so it is implicated with false. So here we get false only, right? So I am writing here false. Now the next value is true, that is implicated with Q, so true, that is true. So true implicated with true gave us true only. Okay, now the next value, that is this false. So false is implicated with, its implication is with this false. So false implicated with false, both these are same on the implication sides, right? So that means this is true. Okay, so the final values of this expression is this. Now this expression, it is implicated with this one. That means this is implicated with this last expression. So that means this and this. Okay. So in the first case, we are having what? We are having true implicated with true. When we know that this happens, both are same, then the resultant is true only because both are true. Okay. Both these statements are same. And then second is P implicated with Q. Its value is false. Okay. So when false is implicated with this false, that means both of these are same on the side of this implication. That means here we write true. And the next statement is what? See here, P implicated with Q is what? It is true. So here we are writing true implicated with. Its next is true. So true is implicated with true. So we write it as true only. So similarly here also true is implicated with this true. That means true implicated with this true. This one is implicated with this. Okay, saying this. So we are getting here again true. So now if we look at the question, we were asked the following statement, this is, and we were having these four options. So basically what are we getting? The true values of this statement is coming like true, true, true and true. That means it is a tautology. Okay. So third option is the correct answer. Hope you got it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.